Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can easily replace the old AirPods and restore sound of your AKG K450 headphones by replacing the old AirPod cushions with new ones. As you can see, these old AirPods are completely worn out. Not only do they look poor, but they also affect the sound quality. The first step is to order new replacement AirPods. Links to them are in the video description. You can buy them from all the most popular online shopping platforms. To remove the old AirPods, you need to pull them off the headphones. Since these are so old, part of the pod may stay attached to the headphone's body. Remove the second AirPod in the same way. Next, find the screwdriver or a knife with a sharp tip. This tool will help you pull out the remaining parts of the old pods out of the headphone housing. Then insert the edge of the new replacement AirPod into the groove. By twisting the AirPod in a circular motion, you can install it over the headphone housing. If it doesn't stay in place and slides off, use your finger from the inside to push the edge of the AirPod into the groove. If you're doing this for the first time, it may take some patience. But watch how I do it, and you will be able to get the job done and save money by not buying a new headphones. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. But for now, good luck!